Okay, quick one really on this. It's just fairly simple strategy. It's just a communication touch point. So the more we touch points with people, the more relationships we build, the bigger our network becomes, the more we get out of obscurity, and that's the main reason we do this. So a couple of quick sort of tips. One, every time you connect with somebody on Facebook or they connect with you, drop them a message, DM them. Don't be spammy like you get on LinkedIn, like how great my business is and what my business can offer. Just be like, hey, how's your week going? Or hey, how was your weekend? And just start conversation as though you'd like met them in the shops, met them in a pub, whatever it might be. And then from that, you can kind of go and stuff. So how's your property journey going? What you up to? And many of you will have experienced this through how we connected. So just kind of relay that in your own business. Just keep it friendly at the start and build value. Don't even in your first messages, don't even just have a chat about property, have a chat about general interests, and just move that forward. Another tip is a delayed birthday message. So on everyone's birthday, obviously you get a notification on Facebook, everyone's going to send a birthday message on the day of the birthday. So there's no point sending them then. Day after, hey, happy belated birthday. Sorry I didn't reach out to you yesterday. I was busy. Hope you had an awesome day. How's your week going? And just trying to get them in conversation. The idea is a building relationship. Someone gets that off you, they don't even really know you. It's a nice touch, and then they might start following you. The idea is the more we interact in DM with people, the more that your stuff gets shown to their feed. So the more people that we have on our profile that are suited to our services through how we go, connecting to them, group search and all that sort of good stuff, the more we get them into DM, the more the stuff that you then post with your content trees and all that sort of stuff starts to show in their feed. And ultimately they, start watching what you're doing. And when the time's right, they'll engage with you with your services. So a couple of quick tips there. Put them into play, every single person. Don't let it drop, and you'll start to get the results from opening the conversations with these people.